In today's video, I'll be giving you guys a quick update on my Fry miners. I will show you exactly how much money I have made so far. And now let's jump straight into the video. As you guys know, 2 months ago, I made my first video on the Fry miners. I did an unboxing and I showed you the miners themselves. They are super simple to set up. You simply plug them in, create your wallet, and you start making money every single day. The first thing that I want to show you is the updated website. As you can see right now, it looks a lot cleaner. But let's talk about the miners. When you press on buy Fry miners, you will see that the prices have gone up big time. I think when I first made the video, they were between like $40 or $50. Now they are $160 a piece, but in my opinion, they are still very affordable and definitely worth it. This is the satellite miner, and when you scroll down, you will see that this miner earns 82 Fries every single day. The next one is the bandwidth miner, and this one earns slightly more. When we scroll down, you will see that it earns 107 daily. So one of the big differences between these miners, the satellite miners, you can have as many of them as you want in your house. The Fry bandwidth miners, you can only have one per IP address. So if you are interested in purchasing one of these miners, check out the link in the description box below, and you can use the code TCM to get 10% off and save yourself a little bit of money. Not only did the prices go up on these miners, but the price of the token has gone up as well, which is definitely good in my opinion. And when we take a look at the chart, you will see that it has been pumping higher and higher over the last 12 months. When I made the first video, it was like in the beginning of January, so the price was right around here. And look at all the growth that it has seen since. Also, when we take a look at the total value locked, right now it is at 5,496. When I made the first video, it was around $200. So the total value locked is definitely gone up big time. Also, the volume has picked up as well. And when we go over to Algo Explorer, you will see that all the stats for Fry's crypto are pointing in the right direction. The circulating supply is pretty much the total supply. And when we scroll down, you will see that the daily unique senders are increasing. Active addresses are definitely increasing. Transaction counts are increasing. On-chain volume increasing. So I don't see Fry's crypto slowing down anytime soon. And now let's go over to my wallet so I can show you exactly how much money I have made so far mining the Fry's token. As you can see right now, I have 6,039 Fry's tokens, and the total value is $655. So I'm definitely in the green and I'm definitely making some profits. Also, the Fry's token is built on Algorand, so if you want to look at it differently, you can say, all right, I have mined almost 3,000 Algo so far. And every single day, I will continue to receive even more Fry's token, so hopefully the value goes even higher. But so far, all I'm doing is holding and stacking up on these tokens. So will the Fry token skyrocket and go to the moon and make you a millionaire in the next bull run? Who knows? All these low cap projects are extremely risky, but personally I do like the project and I think it has a ton of potential. So I'm definitely stacking up and mining more. Also, their Twitter account is very active and they are constantly releasing more and more updates, which is definitely a plus in my book, especially when we are in a full-blown bear market. Also, if I wasn't mining the Fry's tokens, I would have definitely dropped $200 on them and put them in the $10,000 DCA challenge just to see what happens in a year or two. Alright everybody, that pretty much concludes this quick little update. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and as always, see you in the next one. Peace out.